The I&TT framework refers to the innovative and transformative technologies framework for the human settlement sector. This is largely linked to the roadmap that the Department of Science and Innovation through the CSIR have developed for the next 10 years. As a sector, what we've done is firstly to look at the legal aspects that we are required to fulfill as a department. Therefore, we've looked at Section 26 of the Constitution, and then we have also integrated the Housing Act, which ensures that every citizen has access to decent housing. But what we've done through innovation is to ensure that every citizen has access to innovative building methods and construction. The I&TT framework is also grounded in the policies of the department. That is the BNG policy, the white paper, and the housing code. What that does is that it enables the department to ensure that all the programs that the human settlement sector has have technology filtered through it as an enabler for better housing construction and human settlements development. The ITT framework, through the policies of the department, is based on 6 building blocks. The first one is your ICT in full, it's your information and communicative technologies. What that does is that through communication, we can reach the large masses of people in the country quickly, especially through the cell phone technology. The second one is IBT. IBT stands for Innovation Building Technologies, and it's exactly that, where block by block, brick by brick, we use innovation systems to ensure that the materials we use for construction give the user of the houses better opportunities in terms of how hot the house is, how cold the house is, and how diverse the house can be used for different functions. The third one is research and development. In research and development, what we do, we research the different materials and building methods to ensure that we remain ahead of the market industry. The fourth one is largely what people in the building sector call computer-aided design, but today we'll call it the building information modeling. That's about how we use a different software to begin to communicate how we're building, what we're building, and how we communicate that to the sector. Number 5 is in terms of software for drawing, and that's your building information modeling. That, coupled with artificial intelligence, is able to demonstrate to the sector how fast or the accountability towards our human settlement projects. For instance, you find that right from the time the building plans are drawn, we're able to see through 3-dimensional what the housing will look like and what the experience of the users will be. And therefore, through artificial intelligence, we're able to monitor the contractors, how fast they build and when they will finish. Therefore, we can communicate, remember, through the first block, the ICT, to people and assure them that we will deliver their houses on time. The 6th one is big data. Big data is exactly that, huge volumes of data. You can imagine that we deal with lots of housing constructions at the same time in all provinces and municipalities. Therefore, what big data does is that we can connect what's happening on the ground with our software, with our research, and make sense of that in order to direct the future of human settlements development. Those are the 6 blocks which we have used in the ITT framework to ensure that innovation is a catalyst to human settlements transformation and consolidation.
In order to explore the potential of science, technology and innovation that improve human settlements at scale, the DSI sponsored the development of a technology roadmap.